Come test drive this 2016 Chevrolet Corvette. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this car stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power front seats, and much more. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.